Hey guys, I came into Walgreens to make one quick trip. I could show you the great deals they have going on, like on the Crest toothpaste, where you can use the $2 off and then get the rewards and all the other stuff, yada yada. But you know what? That's still free at Kroger, so I don't want to waste your time with that. There are a couple of other deals with the razors. You know what? The razors are still cheaper elsewhere without fighting with the reward box, and you still get those free on 5 off $25 General Saturdays. So right now I'm looking for the one deal that I wanted to show you that is absolutely specific to this store. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, I found it. So this is the Garnier Ho Blends. They are 2 for $7. In this week's inserts, we do have a $4 off of 2. Let me show you, $4 off of 2. I'm not sure which one I just ripped it out of, but I just got the paper and ripped it out of it. And then in our book, on page 17, we have got another coupon that's $1 off. This one right here, Whole Blends. That's gonna make these $1 when you buy 2, or 50 cents each. So I'm gonna grab a couple and show you the receipt. And that's all I'm really interested in this week at Walgreens. If I come across something else that someone doesn't have cheaper somewhere else, then I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Also guys, I want you to notice, because I have 2 items, I can use both coupons. If I had 3 coupons, I would actually have to have 3 items. So this is actually gonna be okay. Okay, and just to show my receipt for validation, see, subtotal was $1, tax 63 cents, so $1 for shampoo and conditioner. Not bad. And a couple of honorable mentions going on at Walgreens this week is the extra laundry detergent. If you're not a big fan of this, there are several things you can do with it. In our area on Saturdays, the second Saturday of the month, they have what they call Loads of Love, and they do laundry for people in different laundromats. You can just Google that, Loads of Love, and it'll tell you when and where it's going on, and you can donate laundry detergent. For those of you that have kids still making slime, instead of them getting into your Tide and your All or your Gain detergent, this would be a great alternative, 99 cents. And if you're gonna get it, maybe try to get the one with the Oxy in it. It just seems like it would clean a little bit better. The other honorable mention is we have coupons that we can clip, which you guys already know about, but there is another one similar to the one we had with the Olay deal, but this one is save $8 when you buy 4 Gillette, Old Spice, and what? And or Secret. So that's very similar to the deal that we had there. You would have to buy 4 of those. And if you go into your coupons and you clip on personal care, it will take you to that one, and it will be $8 off of 4.